Geotargeting, or location targeting, in Google Ads allows you to define specific geographic locations where you want your ads to be shown. This feature enables you to reach potential customers in specific regions, countries, cities, or even a radius around a particular location. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use geotargeting in your Google Ads campaign. 1. Log into your Google Ads account. Visit ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. 2. Navigate to the campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the left menu to access your existing campaigns or create a new one. 3. Choose a campaign. Select the campaign for which you want to set up geotargeting. 4. Access the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab within the selected campaign. 5. Select Locations. Under the Locations section, click on the Locations tab. This is where you can define the geographic areas where you want your ads to be shown. 6. View the default location setting. By default, your campaign may be set to all countries and territories, or a broader geographic setting. 7. Add or edit locations. Click on the Edit button. Click on the Edit button to customize your geotargeting settings. Search or browse for locations. You can search for specific locations or browse through the available options. You can target countries, regions, cities, or even draw a custom shape on the map. Add locations to your target. Once you've selected the locations you want to target, click on the Add button to include them in your targeting list. Set exclusions, optional. If there are locations where you don't want your ads to appear, you can set exclusions. Click on the Exclude button and add the locations you want to exclude. 8. Save your geotargeting settings. Click Save to apply your geotargeting settings to the campaign. 9. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your ads based on geotargeting. Use the Google Ads dashboard to analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, click-through rates, center, and conversions for different geographic locations. Tips for using geotargeting effectively. Understand your target audience. Consider the locations where your target audience is most likely to be. If your business is local, you might target specific cities or regions. Analyze performance data. Use historical performance data to identify the locations that drive the most engagement and conversions. Adjust your geotargeting settings based on this information. Consider radius targeting. If you have a physical store or provide services in a specific area, use radius targeting to reach users within a certain distance from your location. Test different geotargeting strategies. Experiment with different geotargeting strategies to find the optimal settings for your campaign. Test targeting broader regions versus more specific cities to understand the impact on performance. Use geotargeting for special promotions. If you have location-specific promotions or events, use geotargeting to ensure that your ads are shown to users in the relevant areas. Geotargeting is a powerful tool for ensuring that your ads are reaching the right audience in the right locations. By customizing your geotargeting settings, you can optimize your Google Ads campaign to drive better results and improve the overall efficiency of your advertising efforts. So that's it. See you soon.